is Sultan Center. Its name is on Oman Sultan. 26 February my mother's birthday come, and 26 February there is Turkish king birthday comes too. Center. Now we will go inside. So let's go inside now. I'm gonna put my mask on. This is the place where the elders park their car. Nobody else can park their car here instead of elders. Only is the place where the disabled people can park their car, which stay in wheelchairs. So guys, now we are going inside, but before that we are going in a one small place which it is like a shower. It is gonna spray on us some sanitizer and Dettol. But for that I need to close my eyes so it doesn't get into my eyes. I am afraid my mask don't get wet. These are the trolley sprays. This is spraying Dettol on trolleys. Now I'm gonna go inside. Let's go, guys. Guys, now see me. हेलो चल ही रहा, पापा नहीं चल रहा, मुझ पे क्यों नहीं चल रहा? हेलो, मैं भी खड़ी। Thank you. Guys, it was actually not working on me. I think this is because of my height.
Get close for taking temperature. Normal temperature.
Guys, this is Sultan Center. Its name is on Oman Sultan. And you know what? Today is 26 February. In 26 February, my mother's birthday come too. And 26 February, my mother's birthday come. And 26 February, there is Turkish king birthday comes too. And his name is Recep Tayyip Erdoğan.